So right now we're working on this week's vlog, and so I'm here with Olivia, and we have some special and exciting updates for you. So last week you might have seen our Instagram and Facebook page, but this week we've got 2 new accounts on Twitter and Snapchat, and we'll be posting daily updates of our adventures and of our skating on there, and you can go check it out. Just don't forget to follow. It'll be right here. Super easy, lots of fun. Thanks for watching.
Off to Toronto, gonna have a busy day. It's gonna be great. So now we're at Cafe Crepe. We're gonna get some crepes, and then we're gonna possibly go shopping and head to the escape room and then have lunch.
I'm telling you, this place is worth the hike. Hot tea. Perfect. Thank you.
Finally here. The spoon is so long though.
Banana strawberry?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
So I just got my crepes. They look so good. I'm so ready to eat them.
Oh my gosh, it's so busy here. It's only a Monday too. Oh my god, these are so expensive. I'm never gonna be able to afford them. Off to the escape room. Gonna try to escape, but probably won't, so whatever. So we're off to an escape room. It's called Roundabout, and pretty excited. It's my second escape room, but this first one I didn't get out of. Hoping for some better luck this time. Pretty excited. So we got to Roundabout, and it seems to be locked when I open it. So that's not good. Time for escape room? We just got to Roundabout. We finally got in, and we're about to start, and I'm super excited. Sad we can't bring in our devices or anything to record, so we'd love to show you guys, but here we go. So we just finished the escape room. We escaped. It was lots of fun, and the best part was that we got out. So we're here at the Hard Rock Cafe. It's my first time. As you can see, it's pretty cool. So we just met our waiter, and he is a fellow YouTube vlogger. He's from Ireland, and his name's Killian. So we just got our nachos. Actually, just kidding. We got them a while ago. We were eating them. All done. Just kidding. Had to get a doggy bag. We're at the Hard Rock Cafe today. Our server today was a fellow YouTube maker.
Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to Olivia's vlog. How's things? I feel nervous. I don't know what she's going to ask me.
What's your name?
My name is Killian Sexton.
So what do you do on your vlogs?
Basically, I make a lot of world travel videos and try to inspire people to travel around the world and get out of their 9-to-5 job and just explore the world pretty much. I give a lot of travel tips as well, try to explain to people that it's not actually as hard as you think it might be to travel. It's actually a lot easier than people think. Sort of stuff like that.
So I noticed you have a Irish accent.
I do.
So how'd you come to Toronto?
Basically, myself and my two brothers have been traveling around the world for like the last 5 years or so. So we've been all around Australia, New Zealand, Europe, Thailand. We just thought, why not come to Canada? So we had a few friends from Toronto. So next stop, we'll probably stay here for another 6 months or so, and then move on somewhere else.
So how'd you end up working at the Hard Rock Cafe?
Because I'm Irish and I'm awesome, and obviously people want to hire the Irish people, you know? No, but basically, yeah, we just arrived, and I always explain in my YouTube videos how for people the tips on getting jobs. You want to go in, you want to talk to the bar manager and have a good conversation with them, and let them know you, and you let them know about yourself. And then, yeah, you just show your personality, and if you've got a strong CV, which I do, so I got hired pretty quickly.
That's awesome. Thank you so much.
Not a problem. Thank you. There you go.
Nice to
Cheers.
meet you.
No problem.
Go subscribe to Killian Sexton. He's a great guy and he gave us great food and service. We'll put his thingamabob right here. So now we're off to Sweet Jesus, a dessert specialty place. Never been, but here we go. It is so good.
Ice cream with snow in the background.
How Canadians eat ice cream.
So I asked her like last night to like see her today, and
In a blizzard. So we're in an Uber now because it was too cold to walk back after ice cream. It's much warmer in here though, so. So I just got back, so tired. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.